This is a mic test. Also, oh, wait, what am I doing? I don't even have Twitch open, so I have no idea what's happening. Am I live yet? Am I live? Am I? Oh, okay. Now I'll go to my dashboard on Twitch. Create a dashboard stream manager. Okay, I'm live. I'll change my description. What am I doing today? I'm shaving a yak. And the side quest, um, uh, I think most people know what shaving a yak is. If you're in the category software and game development, you probably do. But shaving a yak. Makefile plus pandoc. No, I don't have any space. I have I've hit the character limit. Also, my voice sounds weird. Why does my voice sound so weird? Hello, this is a mic test. Hello. Mic test. I don't like the way this sounds. Oh, sounds okay. I really don't like the way this sounds. Is it better now? Okay. It was a nice cancellation. Yeah, I think this is better. Um, how about now? Hello. Hello. Okay, this is hmm. Hello. I wonder if it's I I I I wonder if it's picking something in the background or if it's just okay. What if I turn off? Hello. Hmm. It's kind of grainy. If I move away from the mic, it's too soft. It's too soft. Hello. This is a mic test with. Oh. Huh. Hello. Uh. E. A. There's a weird sound in the background that I'm not really sure how to describe. What is that? Okay, I let me just show you guys what I'm doing. Oops, not all of that. Just this. How do I center this? Okay, there. I could have just done. I could have just put this in the first workspace. Silly me. Okay, I need a limiter for sure. Do I need a compressor? Sure, why not? Expander. Well, with my earlier mic, I needed an expander, but now I'm not so sure. I think I don't need one. Hello. Hello. Oh, that That definitely helps. Hello. But it also makes this weird tinny sound louder. So I'm going to turn that off. Okay, is it better now? Yeah, it's much better without the expander. I mean, the quality is better, not so much the volume. Ringing this on. Hello. This sounds better. Noise suppression. Um, Fine, I'll leave it on. Just a little bit. Hello. Okay, I think that's good enough. Close. Isn't there a thing called stream marker? Okay, now I'm way too soft. Now that is why. Well, that's why I needed the expander, but maybe I'll just talk a little louder. Okay, pandoc. I run out of space. In side quest, that's supposed to make the main quest supposed to facilitate facilitate the main quest takes more time than it deserves. Pandoc, I just need 3 more. Yeah, good enough. What is this? Stream marker. Twitch stream marker. Creating highlights and stream markers to blah 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 blah. Stream markers. Oh, okay. It was supposed to be in the quick actions file, but I've completely hidden it. You only editors can use the marker command in the chart to mark the current timestamp without having to navigate. Okay. Well, but would that let me export it separately? I don't know. Anyway, I was fixing audio. I'm done. Wow, that's a lot of commands. Marker. Add a stream marker to the current description. Sorry, add a current timestamp. Finish passing over audio. Okay, that's done. I'm gonna put chat in a different window. Okay. What am I gonna do today? This wasn't even planned ahead. This is just out of nowhere. Actually, okay. Oh, that's fine. Okay. Okay, so for some context, first of all, I'm attending sessions where I need to write reports every 6 hours. Compiling reports on every. Okay, after every 6 hours of observation. Let's just observation. Let's just call it observation. Oops. I write in Markdown. Want to send as PDF or maybe ODTT. Okay. Compiling reports after 86 hours of observation. I attend Markdown. I want to send as PDF. And, well, want to send, yeah. More like need to send as PDF because there's no way the recipient can read Markdown. But, want to send it as PDF or as ODT. And then, so what I do is make n, where n is the total number of hours and so I actually started on this. Oh, maybe I should have created another stream. Okay, whatever. N is still the total number. Oops, of hours. So I actually started working with this, but that was on a different computer. And well, it's obviously not synced here. Let's see if I can do it from memory. Make file. Let's also create. Okay. 3hours.md. I had a directory called output. Cool. Observation after 3 hours. So much has happened. Okay, what else do I have to do? Okay, so that is done. Make file. Wait, right now I have 3hours.md, I have a follow per output, and I have a make file that doesn't do anything yet. Okay, so the target that I expect is just going to be a number, and I will do make out. So if correct corrections it's supposed to be if equal. Should I just do if not equal? If not equal corrections, not equal corrections. Should I use one or two? True out is equal to. Okay, here's the thing. Okay. What happens with empty strings? Let's try something. Okay. Ba, 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 ba. Well, I guess I don't really need this. Okay. Output. equal to output slash uh, Kevin report. So this is where the hours come in. So I had a separate key for that. Hours and dot. Okay. So I cannot do it the way I was thinking of doing it. But I could do this much, and then if equals correction, and if car is equal to dot correction dot, don't need a dot there. Okay, and so if I do 6C, it's going to be with the corrections. True. And there will always be a key. Key will be the stem. Oh. Okay. Make n 3. Make key equal. Oh. What happened to the key? Why is the key not there? Okay. That's weird. Oh, okay. Should I have done this? Okay. Wait, so do I even need the key? So what happens when I do 3C? Correction didn't come through. Oh, wait. Wait, I'm just gonna do... Oh, wait, I cannot do echo. Let's do echo here. Okay. Yeah, so this is a mess. This is not what I want. So that's incorrect. Which is why we use K. What am I forgetting? I've done this before, but now I don't remember what I did. If equals correction is true, car is a string that'll be part of my output. I should just use a template. Output is equal to Kevin report the key followed by hours. Oh, okay. So this does not take key. Okay, this does not take out either. So you just do this. Because this is just a shortcut for typing out make correction is equal to 6. Okay, so let's put that aside. We only need to care about this one. Echo make k is equal to key. Well, I don't need this then. Do I need the key? So I could just put this over there. So if I do make 3C, make output, yeah, that's correct. But it without the C, oh. Works. I think this works, right? Ta, 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 ta. So next part is right. So the next part is going to be the pattern matching. So output slash whatever dot PDF is always going to depend. Oh, this is where I need the key. Okay. So you do k is equal to the stem, so that I could do key dot nd is a dependency for the output. Pandoc output is out. Man, why do I not have manual entries for pandoc? I'm very confused. I should be having man pandoc, right? Man pandoc. I'm so sleepy already. Wait, what did I want to check? Output options. Two and output is equal to so the output is equal to the out file. Okay, I had source separate. I mean, I don't have to do it. We'll just do that. Okay. Goes into PDF by default. So now I need the PDF engine, which I decided was going to be Prince. I don't know if I have Prince installed here. And we Prince. I do not. I don't know if it's on DNF though. Oops. Typed the password wrong. Okay, now we install for wait for Prince to finish installing. Okay, there was nothing. There is no package called Prince. Okay, maybe I should probably search for it. Okay, there's nothing. Oh, that's interesting. Not the Prince I was looking for. Download 16.1 is the latest release. Okay. Ubuntu. There's also RPM packages. Interesting. They support Alpine. Very interesting. Okay. RPM. Alma Linux 10. Oh yeah. It's probably the latest. Oh wait, if it's an RPM image, I'll have to install it with sudo, or in this case, pkexec dnf install real paths to prints. Yes. Okay, that was done. Command reprints. Cool. I should probably look the documentation for this one as well, but let's come back here. PDF engine. Use the specified engine when producing PDF output. There it is. Okay. Use the given string as a command line argument to the PDF engine. For example, use a persistent directory foo for latex makes auxiliary files. Use PDF engine opt auto retrieval foo. No, did not check for duplicate options is done. Okay. Okay. That is probably all that I need. Let's see. Installation guide, user guide, the reference guide. This is selectors, blah blah blah, command line options. There are files and there is that does not tell me anything. Okay, CSS. Apply an external style sheet. Know that repeating the option multiple times allows for applying multiple style sheets. These are applied in the order they are provided, and hence the last one will overwrite previous ones. Okay. Page size, page margin, auto style. Wait. The most important thing is actually just that I have. I'm gonna create an index. Report.css. Let's just do paragraphs are in the color hot pink. Okay, so that's done. PDF engine is equal to prints. PDF engine opt is equal to style is equal to report.css. Now we need lamp breaks. Okay, make n6. Oh wait, I only have 3. Oh, huh. Okay. Okay. We have some things. No rule to make target output Kevin report 3 hours of PDF. But I do have one. That's weird. What happens if I just do... What happens if I do this directly? Oh, wait. Yeah, I do have 3 hours. Oh. Hedge. Okay. Invalid input format PDF. Why is the input format PDF? Okay, wrong. This one is supposed to be that. Okay. Okay, okay. So I have a PDF. Oh, that's 3 hours. What is that? How did that happen? And Kevin report, Kevin report. Oh no. Um, let's see. Make three. Make key is equal to 3. Output Kevin report 3 hours PDF. Entering directory blah blah blah. Pandoc output is equal to blah 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 blah. Okay, so so instead of using out, I could just do this, and it will actually solve all my problems. Work smart. Ta-da! Okay. Colors working. Style sheet is working. Okay. Oh, I guess I'm done then. My yuck took so little time to shave. Yuck shave is done. Wow, I finished in 30 minutes. Oh wait, not even 30, 22 minutes. This has to be the shortest yuck shave ever. Okay, so I have one variable that handles the format. So I'll put it a directory. Inside the directory is type of my name, report because it's a report, time, number of hours, and if I'm oh wait, I should check that. Uh okay, so this is supposed to be different if it's a correction. If it's a correction, I needed to look for a different file. Because the way this will work is I'll have 3 hours.md and then I'll have 3 hours.correction.md. Up. Which is just going to be a copy of this but with the correction. So yeah. And let's see, so much has happened. Let's just yeah. So those are corrections. Now the idea being that when I do 3C, it would use the other file. But how do I tell it to use the... Okay, so that's why I had another variable called source. Source is equal to KH dot if equals correction okay, correction true. This has to be dot car. Oh no, car dot empty. I would rather put the dot here. Put a dot here. Remove this one. If I did make 3C. Oh, it worked. Nice. It did not work. I didn't change the source. 9 lines down. We have a problem. source is incorrect. Okay, I use okay. See what happened. Should still isn't working. That's weird. If equals, am I using the conditional incorrectly? Gonna make conditional. Conditional. I think there's something wrong with the GNU site because it's been kind of slow all day. Ta 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 ta. Yeah, that one. Okay. No, not this one. Because I want this inline. Where is it? Functions for string substitution. No, not that one. If and def automatic variables. Example, if a conditional parts of a makefile. Okay, I'm going to go to the index. Oh. Oh. I might need my book that I have downloaded somewhere. That that's a lot of things. Oh, this is the wrong page. This is the wrong page of what I wanted. This is the wrong page. What I wanted was actually the contents, but let's see. Coating with backslash blah 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 blah. While define canvas space revolution. Condition. Conditional assignment? No. Conditional expansion? Conditional. Okay, this is the one. Conditional expansion might also be the one, but let's see this. This Yachiv is going on for a little longer than I thought. Mostly because the web page is not loading. Reload. Reload. Okay, that's weird. Oh, there you go. If condition, then and else. Oh. Oh. How do I write a condition? Provide support for conditional expansion functional context as opposed to the first argument condition. First has all preceding trailing white space. So how do I check a string? So string matching has to be a separate function altogether. And it would be if some kind of function here. I don't know what this function's called. Hmm. It isn't any of these. Oh, come on, gonna. Okay. Oh. Okay, strength substitution analysis. That's probably what I want. If it loads. Tra la la. Should have used something like crush. Okay, parts of subst. Strip. Find string. Filter. Filter out. Sort. Word. Word list. Words. First word. Last word. That is not at all what I wanted. You know what? I'm just gonna put this out separately. Car is equal to correction, and source suffix is equal to dot car. So and that would be the out suffix. Out suffix. Good enough, right? So if I did make 3 hours, no rule to make target, blah 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 blah. So it's supposed to make 3, not 3H. Up to date. Make 3C is also up to date. It's not supposed to be up to date. It is not up to date. That's the wrong file. That is weird. What is the source? Source suffix. Source suffix is oh. Wait, no, that's correct. Did I type it wrong elsewhere? Source is equal to k patch dot hour dot source suffix dot md output slash Kevin report blah 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 number of hours source source hmm oh, is it because I didn't give k in this one? Shouldn't matter because k comes out here. Make correction is equal to true 3. Okay, let's run this separately. See what it says. Make k is equal to 3. Output. Run is up to date. Okay, so output slash Kevin report 3 hours correction.pdf depends on source. Source is key. Key is 3 dot h. Source suffix dot md. Okay, I just probably create. Oh, that only looks at the time, not at the contents. So if I just did that, then that. Oh, that was fast. Okay, this is not very useful. So much has happened, right? Wonderful. Now the arc shaping is complete. How over engineered is this? There's an output template and there's a source template. If there is a variable called correction that is equal to true, the output has a suffix and the source has a suffix. So output becomes whatever the output suffix is, and source becomes whatever with the source suffix. So this is the default target. Make will take the output. The output will depend on the pattern, and the key is also the pattern. And then when you try to make the output, you depend on source. So if it's older than source, you may rebuild it, otherwise you don't. Oh, sorry. Yeah, if it's older than source, you rebuild it, otherwise you don't. Pandoc output is equal to that. PDF engine is equal to prints. PDF engine options. Style is equal to report, and then the source file, which is the first prerequisite. And this is just a shortcut so that I can type in corrections equal to true more easily. End of Yak shape. Okay, just to check that everything works. Let's create a new report. We're going to create a report for 369 hours. Okay, so that's my very smart report. So now if I do make, make 369, it did work. So 369 hours of PDF. This is not a real report at a little while. So we make the corrections. Write it to 369. Write to 369 dot 369.car.md. There's supposed to be an H over here. Wrong file. Car. Where's corrections? This is not a real report at all. And then I do make 369C, C for corrections. And then you go over there, you pin this. Ta-da! And everything I came out to do is done. 40 minutes. Not bad for Yak shape. Goodbye.